Good morning, Hi. On this occasion, I will discuss a natural disaster called the flood. Flooding is a frequent natural disaster in Indonesia. Flooding is the only condition that a region lowers by the amount of water that many flood can be predicted by observing rainfall in an increasing volume of water. I think the reason for the flood was natural and man-made for little nice. When dirty water in large quantities causes health problem, it is unavoidable. A wide variety of ailments are sure to spread and attack everyone, especially the elderly and children. Aside from liputan6.com, bacteria that join the water pose a danger to human health. Moreover, if the fluids are waterlogged for too long, it can cause health problems. According to the printed fact of Butsley, the disease is nearly inevitable for a person to be affected by a flood. In addition, bacteria contained in water can risk causing problems in the stomach, and their heart to complaints common in flooding areas as result of unclean water. According to all doctors, flooding can cause some of the illnesses: flu, dengue, hemorrhagic fever, malaria, diarrhea, hepatitis A, leptospirosis. His conclusion that if litter is carelessly discarded would be fatal to environment and human health. If littering can cause a wide range of ailments, activity is disrupted by the body and many other adverse effects it causes. I think the government and the rest of Indonesia should be more concerned about the cleanliness of the neighborhood as well as the proper disposal of garbage. This is where the flood was discussed. I beg your pardon more or less. I am. Good morning.